Okay, so nameplate project, and here's a list of what should be done for class today, right? Brainstorming, you should have your 5 different brainstorming sketches all set up. So I came around on Thursday and Friday last week and took a look at those and checked them off. And today I'm going to come around and take a look for your decision matrix. That should be done too. So you need to have 5 different ideas. That's the 5 concept sketches that you had. And then the 5 constraints. And you can look at the PowerPoint about the decision matrix to help you determine what some of the constraints are that you can use. So I'll be coming around to look at decision matrices today. I'm just looking to see that you have it done. Real quick scan. That's all I'm doing. Now, next thing is developing a solution. So now that you have a decision made as to what you're going to do in terms of the project, which nameplate, and I strongly suspect probably already had that idea, right? You're going to create a detailed hand drawing on grid paper with dimensions, and that's for both the nameplate and the leg or foot, whichever you want to call it. I'll show you the pictures of that in a second. Those are attached to this Google Classroom post. This is just on the stream. It's not in the classwork thing. So anyways, all right, don't forget your detailed drawing of the nameplate must have an explanation of 3 of the elements and 3 principles of design as footnotes. And when you write those up, do me a favor and just like underline it. So if you talk about vertical lines, underline vertical lines. If you talk about, contrast, underline the word contrast, just so I can quickly and easily pick those things out. So those are parts of the develop a solution thing that you should have done next. That's the next step anyways. So today in class, I'm going to talk about the design of the stands that we're going to use to keep our nameplate standing up. And then on 3/22, which is next week, Monday, you are going to start, if you haven't already started, to construct and test your prototype. Testing being we're actually going to run it on the laser next door, but constructing it is going to be you creating it in Onshape, okay? And you also have to make a fully dimensioned, so this is an Onshape drawing of your nameplate that shows the 3 dimensions for height, width, and depth. So I'm going to show you right now, and I'll have to bring it up on the other screen. Hold on a second. So this is the what I call the exemplar for the nameplate design. Okay, and I'll talk about this real quick. Okay, so this is the exemplar for the nameplate design. This drawing at the top is the footy that we're going to be using for our design. You have to draw this in your engineering notebook along with the picture that's at the bottom of the screen. You can't see it on the monitor up front and on the video right now, but there is a picture that I have shown you before that I drew of my little item of interest, and then I lettered my name in there. You also have to make a drawing of that, and that's the one that gets the horizontal line, it talks about the 3 different elements and 3 different principles of design. So you have to make this sketch, and this should be done on Thursday, Friday of this week, okay? So that's the class work for today. Let me see. Yeah, so that's the that's what your work is today. So get out your engineering notebooks and be ready to show those to me. And if you're a SOLAS student, please send me pictures of your 5 concepts and also of your 5 your design decision matrix, okay?